Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change birth date on TikTok. So first of all, you just have to open your Play Store or App Store and then just search for TikTok application. And now you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of TikTok application. So if there is any update, just make sure to update it. And after updating, just open the TikTok application. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and here you might think that to change your birthday you can go to edit your profile and you can change your birthday from here, but that is not available in this screen, unfortunately. Of course, now you just have to tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and then go to settings and privacy. You can open the account settings, first option, and then from here there is no option to change it as well. Go to account information, again you can see there is no option as well. So now it is safe to say that there is no direct way to change your birthday on TikTok, but there is an indirect one that I'm going to show you right here. So scroll down and tap on this report a problem right there. After that, wait for this screen to load up. Once it does, you need to scroll down a little bit and just tap on this account and profile under topics, and now you have to tap on this second last option, editing profile. It will expand this list. Scroll down at the bottom of the list and tap on this other, so it will take you on this page here. Then tap on this need more help at the bottom. So here you have to describe the problem, or just like I have entered my birthday wrong while creating my account and I want to correct it. I can provide the ID card if you want me to do so. After that, they will reply to you with a solution within 24 or 48 hours. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.